told you, di ba? What did I tell you? To
Trust me.
trust nanay. Wow! Luna, that's Kuya's. Can you try?
Yes! What about the costume?
Mm.
Can I wear?
Yeah, you can try. Try it. You can try.
Wait, what happened to the top? What happened to the top?
Wala, because of the packaging. You can do this. Like that.
It's okay.
Right, Luna, wait.
Just order these.
Ay, it's Kuya's eh. It's Kuya's. Nandi na.
Sorry, Luna.
Kasi
Sa next ng birthday mo, then you're going to get a costume like this. Okay?
dali na, Kuya.
I actually love the costume. This is actually my favorite costume. In the One Piece episodes, I'm already at episode 33.
See, ang kulit mo kasi always asking me, Nanay, please do the straw hat na because I want the costume of Luffy. What did I tell you?
All you got to do is just trust me.
To trust Nanay. Oh. And now, you got it. On your birthday.
I didn't know.
Happy birthday.
Wait, you were just pranking me that you just have to like fix something.
Yeah.
And I didn't even notice the bin bag.
Yeah. I love you, Kuya. Happy birthday. Yay!
I'm now 8.
Yeah, you look like a monkey now.
Huh?
Di ba monkey? Di Luffy. Luna, di ba, no? Look like a monkey na. A monkey.
Gamu na! Got
Kasi
it!
today is birthday ni Aki. So, lalabas kami, pupunta kami sa SM. Kasi yung celebration niya, yun na yung Singapore trip. Diba, tapos na tayo sa bonggang, birthday trip. That was the, Singapore trip. So, right now, tinanong namin siya kung syempre, kailangan din namang mag-celebrate, konting kainan, ganyan. Tinanong namin siya kung saan niya gustong kumain. Sabi niya, Burger King. So, ayan. So, since it's Saturday naman, lalabas kami, kakain lang kami sa Burger King. Tapos, ayun, maglalaro lang siguro sila sa Kidzuna. That's my gift to you. Did you like it? Ha? Kasi, pinapanood niya si One Piece. Diba? So, you like Monkey D. Luffy? Really? Let me see. Wow, you're so pogi naman. Happy birthday, Kuya. Yung isa naman dito. Kalat dito sa station ni Joe. Ayun na. What's that? What is that? Put it back. Dito kasi nakatambak yung, mga supplies for, coffee, ganyan. Kasi, di ba, alam niyo naman, wala kaming space dito sa amin. Maliit lang. Kasi, di ba, naka-apartment lang kami, tapos loft type lang apartment namin. So, ang problema namin ngayon, dumadami yung gamit, tapos hindi namin alam kung saan isisiksik. Naku, nahulog yung... Teka. Ay, nako, lagot ka kay tatay. Dun. Nako, sabi ko na eh. Si Luna naman ang hihingi ng banana cake. Luna, Wow, yummy. Wait lang, maglo-lotion lang si nanay. Kasi napakainit sa labas. Bago kayo lumabas, don't forget to apply, lotion. This is, SPF 30. Glutasy. After nito, mag-apply pa ako ng sunblock. Luna, sige, mag-lotion ka din. Sabi ko kay Aki, kunin niya yung lotion. Ito yung nakuha niya. Pero ang gamit ko talaga is yung Myra. init. We really have to put this para to protect our skin. Kasi Diyos ko, iba na ang ano ngayon, iba ang panahon ngayon. Grabe, umaabot ng 47. Ganyan sa ibang lugar, nagpa-49 pa nga eh. Tapos sa face, nakapaglagay na ako ng sunblock. Okay. Okay. How about si Luna? Gusto mo mag-lotion? Ha? Bigyan kita ng lotion. Tapos, papatungan ko pa siya ng another sunblock. Meron akong sunblock dito. Yung ginamit namin sa, saan na yun? Ay, nasa taas yata. Kasi ginagamit ko, ito. Yan. Ito. Okay. Sun protect. Dapat ito kasi alam nyo ba, nasunog kami sa Singapore. Hindi naman sa sunog na sunog. Umitim lang. Kasi syempre sa Singapore puro lakad. Tapos, ang init din doon, parang Pilipinas din. Ito yung ginamit namin sa Boracay. We have to put more. More. Say more. More.
Ano ikaw, siomay ba?
Siomay. Mga hakaw.
Isang hakaw sa siomay. Dati gusto rin ng siomay.
How about pansit? Kayo mo, pansit? Pansit. Full daw. Ikaw, Luna.
Yes. Ako gusto ko yung
Ay, may shake. Gusto ko ng shake. Ako din, ma. Masarap yung lechon ko.
ito nga, rice.
We have a tea. Ma, hindi ako mag-rice.
Ang kami lang nila. Si Jerome, ano? Yung beef, ano diba? Puponi, with beef, meron ba yan? Miss, meron is topping ko na broth. Ha? Kapali pa? Wala ko na. Meron lang kayo mga rice natin sa
It's not a juice, kuya. It's a tea. Ayan, o. Tea. Pineapple shake. Okay, you can have it. They also have watermelon, ganun. Mango.
Sige, I'm sorry,
Watermelon. Ikaw, Luna. Mango? Watermelon? Anong order ni Luna, Dede?
shrimp ko. Hindi na beef. Shrimp ko po. Hindi meron. Tsaka, hindi ko magra-rice.
Ma, ang
Jerome, kaya
fresh
mag-rice?
ng video. Oh.
Si Jerome kaya magra-rice.
Magra-rice.
Mama.
Di pa kumakain yun. Ang fresh. Ito, Luna, fresh lumpia pa ba? Ay, may fresh lumpia ba sila mawala? Si Luffy. Anong gusto ni Luffy? Ako ay... Yummy. Oh. Ang Chinese girl. Sakto yung damit mo. Nandito ka sa Chinese restaurant.
Yummy? Yummy?
Yangat mo. Ganyan yung gulaman dito sa Kimby, oh. Sago overload. Doon na, oh. Hintayin ka namin. Doon na, oh. King Bee.
There's a new style of Luffy.
What? Okay. Luffy. Okay. Wow! Ate, wait. Matama yan doon na. Don't jump mo na. Wag mo na, wag. Okay, wait. Wait. Ano na? No, this one, oh. Oh. Wow, banana. Ay, Can I have ice cream? One. Yum, 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 yum. I'll put it here. Yum, 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 yum. Wow, nanalo ko. Wow, ice cream. Oh. Hindi naman picture to. Artista face na lang. Kiss tatay, kiss mo tatay. Love tatay, love, love. Why? Okay.
Happy birthday.
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Wow! Blow.
I must make a wish.
Okay.
I wish Uno was still alive.
Wow! You want Uno to be alive? Happy birthday, Kuya.
Yeah.
Put it in the box again.